Alright, so welcome back. Now let's have the concluding part, and that is to repeat what we have done for username value for other values. So now after the username value, we have email value, password value, and password to value. So to make it fast, I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to copy this and then repaste in 3 other places. Okay, so let's start one after the other. So this is for username value and it ends here. So now this place will be for email value. Email value. Then we are going to be putting email here. Then we change this statement to email cannot be blank. Email cannot be blank. Then after that of email, so we don't need else if for this email of a thing, so we're gonna be removing that. Then we'll be left with else. So else correct, then email. Alright, so let's go to the next one. We have password value. Password value. Then we have password here too. And then okay, password cannot be blank. The password cannot be blank. Then for this else if we're going to be okay if password value dot length is less than 8 or 6, whichever one you want to choose. Less than 8. Then set incorrect, and then put invalid here. Password, then password must be at least 8 characters. Must be. Okay, so let's move on. Then when it is correct, we're going to be having password there. So we come to this place and then we change this one to password to value. copy this password. Something is wrong somewhere. I'm gonna be checking that. Then let me just copy this off password. Oh no, that's too much. Right, so having done this, so we're just going to be changing this to password to value. So this is going to be password to value. Then it's going to change this to password 2, and then password 2. Confirm password cannot be blank. Confirm password cannot be blank. Then else if password to value is not equivalent, password to value, so it's, we are not talking about length here. Password to value is not equivalent to password value. Oh, it should be just 2 equals to no. So I go to then it's going to set password to value, then put this password 2, then say password does not match. Passwords do not match. So passwords do not match. Then if correct, so it should just say you should set password 2. Alright, I think we are almost done now. We are done. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so having done this, let's check what we have now. Let's check our browser. Okay, let's see what we have there. Alright, so let me try and submit. So wow, beautiful. Then let's try and put what is not to, and see again. So that is going to change. Then let's put what is correct there. Distinguished mom, and that is going to change to green. And this one too, let me put one image there, and then this one too. And then let me try to put something else here. Let's see what it's going to tell us. Okay, so that's correct, but this one says password do not match. So let's say I didn't put up to 6 characters here. So let's see what this is going to tell. The password must be at least 6 characters. Passwords do not match and things like that. So now let's try to fulfill all the conditions. Let me see. Can I remember what I just typed? Is it up to? Wow, beautiful. So may Allah bless the knowledge for us. We're going to be meeting for another project soon. Now, do have a nice time. Bye.